Hello everyone, welcome to Hacker Associate broadcast. Here I am doing a brute forcing that is exactly called subdomain brute forcing. I am targeting Sony.com. Okay, you can target any domain, whatever is your choice, and you can see clearly it is running. Okay, I'm running this command here. Okay, and here you can see the work in progress, and I'm just using this flag that is called -silent. So there's a reason okay not able to see output here, but I hope you got an idea how to perform a subdomain brute forcing. You can see it is still going, and I think it is already done. Okay, so you want to understand about bug bounty and you want to basically hunt on live application, join my 𝗦𝗦𝗥𝗙 program, which is available on hackerassociate.com. Just go to hackerassociate.com, your favorite website, and just select this program 𝗦𝗦𝗥𝗙, where we teach live application hunting, and we have 100+ POC already available in our member portal from here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next episode.